Welcome, today I'm wearing a Blackview A90 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on that device. So let us first unlock our SIM card. And after that, just let's open the settings application and then scroll down just here to the privacy section. To the security section. After that, here scroll a little bit down and tap to the SIM card lock. Now just remove SIM pin from your device SIM card, click here only once on the switcher, and after that here under the current device word, in my case that's from 1 to 4, and then just tap here to OK. And that's it. Now we can see that our SIM card successfully unlocked from SIM pin. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.